Hello everybody, and this is Phoenix Electro 123, and today is another huge unboxing. The unboxing of a new we got Megaminx inside here, 2x2 Megaminx, and also a 2x2 Mastermorphix. So let's get to the unboxing. So let's open this one first. I don't know which one is which, so we'll have to open it and see first. Let's see. Oh, it looks like it's the Kilominx, guys. Oh my god, the packaging is slightly not as what I wished. Well, here's the cube. Well, let's open it. Whoa, it's a bit loose, these pieces, but very smooth. I have to say it's quite smooth. Yeah, it's very smooth, guys. So here's the white and here's the gray. A very bright shade of colors, and very smooth. But the pieces, I don't really agree how they are placed. As you see, it's a bit loose. Well, we'll just do a bit of a solve. Don't really know how to solve this cube. So I already solved it back, and I have to say it is very loose. And but the color shades are okay, the same as my other Megaminx. I think I'm happy with the cube so far, though I don't agree a bit with these very loose parts. I'll have to see it later. I'll talk about it. Moving on, we have this is the Megaminx we have. So here is the cube. So let's open the Megaminx. Whoa, it's very hard. Got this. Oh, I can see it. Okay, opening eventually, very slowly, and yes, the packaging, like the Kilominx, is also slightly smudged. Well, it doesn't matter. Sweet Megaminx. Here is Kevin Hayes' face. So let's see the Megaminx. Wow, this is a beauty. Literally a beauty. Look at this. Whoa. Looks very sandy. Sounds really loud. Quite sluggish, but it's quite smooth. Wow. I also like these parts, so we can actually get better grip. But the color shades are very good. But I still don't like it that much because it's very sandy. But still, I like the color shades, very bright. More bright, a bit brighter than the Kilominx. Let me put them side to side. Yep, they're definitely more brighter. Oh, not on the green. Well, basically they're more. It's basically a bit more better in a way, because I see this one looks a bit orangish, and this one's really yellow, and yeah, in a way I like it better. So we'll be moving on to the next cube. Last and but not least is the 2x2 Mastermorphix. Looks very small. You can feel it, it's very small. Let's see, and this is a packaging I like. Shengshao, like the 3x3 video showed. Very light. Let's see the cube first. Okay, got it out. Here's the manual. And here is the cube. Well, I think it's quite slow, though, I might say. But let's just try and morph it. Yep, you can still morph. Might be slow, but still. It's quite smooth, but slow. Unless the Megaminx, which is smooth, but not very slow. And also really sandy, that's the Megaminx. But this one, this is really, I like it. This cube, I really like it. But I don't really agree with the shade of colors. As the 3x3, it was very light. But this, the 2x2 version is light. The yellow and the red same, but I think the blue and green are slightly darker. Not slightly, I mean very dark. Yep, they're very dark. But it doesn't matter. It's still the cube I like. It's better. Very light. I'll learn how to do it so I can show you a tutorial. Let me just try and morph it. Whoa, that is sweet morphing. Look at this. Whoa. Got it back. Okay, so now let's talk about the Kilominx. So overall, I like the Kilominx, and I'm glad I have a cube, the Kilominx cube. But as I said just now, I don't agree because it's very loose. But still, it's very smoother than this Megaminx. It's much more smoother and light. But this Megaminx, I might say it's a bit heavier and very sandy, sluggish. But I like it because it's smooth. But the shade of colors, I like it much better than the Kilominx. But overall, these two cubes are very good if they are put side to side. They are the same cube except for the edges. So let's just give an overall about the Mastermorphix 2x2. Well, overall I like it. The only thing I don't agree is the how sluggish it is, but that is still okay. I think you can just put some lube and it'll be much more better. And I also don't agree with the colors, but so far this is my best. This is the best of all of these cubes, and I very like it. I like it very much. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next unboxing. Bye.